Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Twin Lakes, or near Camp Lake, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Sturtevant, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Camp Lake, Twin Lakes, Wheatland, Genoa City, Silver Lake, Powers Lake, Browns Lake, Bonners Lake, Eagle Lake, Salem, Burlington, Bristol, and Paris. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.